Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's intraday analysis video update brought to you by the creators of proprietary price, pattern, and time methodology. Learn the PPT methodology and profit for life. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Well, we knew it was going to be a big day today. I alerted my members last night that there were going to be some wild moves in this market, and that's exactly what we got. We got this interesting gap down and flush out that kind of weeded out the weak hands. And if you were a weak hand, you probably got weeded out and you didn't profit today. But here at InTheMoneyStocks.com, there's always profits to be had, whether you're a swing trader or a day trader. The market came right down to a beautiful support area. This is basically the pivot low going back to the 21st. And again, the stock, or the spiders, which mirrors the S&P 500, came right into that level, and then just a massive reversal. And here we find ourselves after being down 100 points on the Dow. The Dow now is up 63 points, a huge reversal. NASDAQ up 7, S&P up about 4 on the day. We're near the highs of the day. This is choppy bullish consolidation. We're above all three moving averages. The markets are in a positive area right now. The high resistance area is going to be right here. This makes sense, obviously, as it was the high for the last few days. I do think there's a good chance we hit this level today, and again, that will be short-term resistance. If you get through that level, folks, and again, I actually think at this point, assuming we hold these gains today, you do in the next few days, the markets will head north. First stop is going to be the 141.70 level. Second stop is going to be the 142.75 level, which will be a key gap fill. Once we get up there, I think the markets may panic a little bit again, and we may see some decline. So we'll watch very closely to see how this all plays out. But again, I'm just taking it one step at a time. I still have my majority of my long swing trades out there, all in the money, rocking and rolling. And this is what it's all about, just making sure you're on the right side of the trade, using the PPT methodology, price, pattern, and time methodology, folks. It's what has basically made me as much money as I could even ever spend in my lifetime here. And it's, again, we're available to teach you guys by joining InTheMoneyStocks.com. Research Center is the main thing there. You join that and you learn for life. We'll teach you. We'll give you swing trade alerts, videos daily, go over it, plus market analysis, stock analysis, you name it. It's all included there. And again, that's for investors and swing traders. The Research Center at InTheMoneyStocks.com. 7-day free trial, by the way. Bottom line is markets are popping a little here again. Again, upside resistance is going to be right there. I do favor the upside going into the end of the day based on this reversal. Some nice stock reversals today. Google. Again, Google was strong yesterday. Early in the day, it was negative, but came back very nicely. It is now up almost $9 on the day. You can see the early weakness right here. Notice how it held these two moving averages beautifully, and then off to the races, and then just been chopping in the upper ranges today like really the market has been doing lately. All right, we've been in kind of this upper range until a little bit of a flush today. We've been in a range. Apple still down $2, but in all fairness, that's a nice move off the lows. Apple was down more than 10. Notice how it came right on top of the intraday 200 MA before reversing. Chart on Apple looks okay. The stock, again, had some big gains from the lows of about 500 2 weeks ago. So, I mean, it is pulling back in all fairness a little bit, as it should. And again, I actually think it's consolidating to make another move above 600. I think once it gets above 600, then it gets in overbought territory. But I still think it can go about to that 600 level. Baidu up about 80 cents today. Nice little move there. JP Morgan Chase flat on the day. Goldman's up about 40 cents. Chevron, monster move. I am long Chevron from 100.95. So basically from 101, it's trading above 105. Awesome gains on that. Notice how you are coming into a little bit of resistance here, though. This will be some resistance. And then if you get through that, this is your next spot at the 105.40 to 50 level on Chevron. But again, I'm riding this one. I think it'll go a little bit higher. If you go to your daily chart on Chevron, my guess is I can erase a couple of these lines. If you get through it, you're going to hit the 20 right here at around the 106 level. And then I think you actually will go to the 200, which is around the 107.5 level. That's my guess. That's where I think we're going to head. And again, that's what I'm waiting for. So nice little move there. Research in Motion. I played this as a scalp trade today, folks. Research in Motion on the opening move this morning when it opened, flushed to gap fill right here. I bought just below. My entry was $10.23. Look at the move since then. I mean, this was just a monster move up, back above 11. Basically a dollar rally, more than a dollar rally off the lows. So sick move on Research in Motion off that perfect gap fill today. If you're a technical trader, that was just, gravy. That was just one of those beautiful things that you just hope for and pray for, and when you get it, you just thank the good Lord in trading that you got that. What else do we have here, folks? Solar stocks today, big moves. First solar up about $1, but the real story here is in the Chinese solars. TSL up 50 cents to $2.80. That is a big move. The stock was basically trading at bankruptcy levels, so there's a lot of shorts in there, a lot of squeezing going on, and a lot of value. STP is up about 3 cents, getting a little bit of a pop. JASO, JA Solar, all these Chinese solars are getting some bids here today. Even when I played myself, ASTI up about 5 cents, getting a little bit of a pop today, as well as some other ones. So, I mean, the solar stocks across the board all getting moves up. It's kind of one of the last areas of ugliness out there. It's Chinese solars. What's going on with China? China's looking a lot better. We've got some good economic news out of China. China's not selling as much overseas of solar panels because of tariffs and dumping penalties and so forth the U.S. put on them. But instead, what we're seeing now is them going internal. They're still getting subsidized by the Chinese government, and they're looking a little bit better. Some comments out from some of these Chinese stocks, very positive. So they've had a nice run. They could have more upside, but I would look for the consolidation and then buy the consolidation in a bullish manner. All right. What else do we have here? That's about it. I'm just kind of sitting back now. I'm up a couple G's on the day for trading purposes, on my day trading, and enjoying the move up on my swing trades. I mean, what else can you say? Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Profit with the pros. Join the elite. Learn the methodology. It's the PPT methodology, price pattern and time, proprietary methodology. And again, it basically puts you in a position to profit for life. Take care, guys.